Hello, how are you? Hope everyone is good. Hope you are doing wonderful. I did everything that I need to do this morning. This Sunday morning, I changed the bed covers, cleaned this apartment, showered, did a get ready with me that I'm going to post on TikTok. I should have added my get ready with me here, like show you what I wore. But it's okay. We are wearing a Ralph Lauren roll neck. We are wearing a beanie from Raised by Society and H&M pants. I did some recycling this morning, some glass bottles that I took to the recycling section of this complex because there was so much bottle. These old light bulbs, huge light bulbs, one of them broke. I was so scared of cracking them. I know. South Soul. I love their music so much. We are on our way, my man and I. We want to go and get some coffee and cake, sit down and have conversations. He's giving me side eye. He's giving me side eye because this man does not want to leave the house today. He doesn't want to leave the flat. He just wants to watch his... You were watching Bridgerton, right? He was watching Bridgerton and he's watched this before. He started from season 1 again. Maybe I would join him. He doesn't want to leave the house. So I dragged him out. Let's go and do something. Let's go sit down, get some drinks. I don't do coffee. I don't really like coffee. If you don't know, now you know. I really do not like coffee, but I'm going to get maybe a multivitamin punch and carrot cake. I was just talking to my man how some Nigerian person the other day I was online and they said to me, you need to be arrested by the Holy Spirit because you need deliverance. And then they proceeded to say that my own homosexuality is so much that they don't even think that they can deliver me. What the hell? I didn't even know that homosexuality is a spirit. I never knew this.
It's a demon that is possessing you.
Are you sure?
I'm sure that this bullshit, but that's what they believe.
You heard what my man was saying. No, because it's really, really weird to me. It's really weird to me. It's so weird to me. Because even the preachings of Jesus Christ that I knew when I used to go to church, when we did our first Holy Communion and confirmation in the Catholic Church, I went to Our Lady of Fatima Catholic Church in Kano. That's where I did my first Holy Communion, my confirmation. I was told that God is love, that you should love thy neighbor as thyself. What has happened these days is that some of these people just use religion to deal with people. There's this video that is a particular church in the UK where this guy had 49p, his last money in his account, something like this allegedly, and he gave it to the church and they still took it from him. I am not going to give any church my money. Police are on the road with camera in this very, very weird corner that you will never ever know that they are there, and they will catch people.
It's a handheld.
It's a handheld camera as well. We just found this spot to park, and this particular driver, I don't know if he was trying to maneuver us to park here. So wild. My man was like, what is wrong with you? Why is it so dark? Why is it that it's dark like this?
Not dark.
No, it's dark. There's no sunshine all day today. There's no sunshine.
Yeah, but it's cloudy, but it's not dark.
All day, since morning, all day today, no sunshine. This man is trying me today. I'm going to beat him. I'm not even joking. Maybe you remember when I don't want to say the place. You know, that place I used to walk along my former job in Manchester. I was speaking to this man and I was trying to sort invoices. He said, what's your name? I said, Charles. He said, are you sure your name is Charles? Is it the name you give to people so that they can be able to pronounce your name? I didn't know what to say. It was so wild. We just came out of the restaurant. I was complaining earlier that there was no sunshine all day today. And I still stand by what I was saying, that it's dark. It is dark. How can you have a whole day with no sunshine? It's been cloudy all day and dark. And I mean it. We got out of the restaurant, we were driving, and this particular driver was just driving anyhow and wasn't looking in the direction where he's driving to, and was just talking to his friend in the car, or whoever that person is that is in the car with him, and was coming into our side of the road. So mad. In front of us, there was this Mercedes car. A small Mercedes car, very small Mercedes car, and this car was literally as if someone is pushing the car. It was so slow, and my man was like, what the hell is this? We have this warning in the car now that tells you when you are over the speed limit. Is really good. When I was driving the Fiat 500 electric, it had it on the car and it was really good because it reminds you not to overspeed. But this one does it like 5 times. The Fiat just does it like boom, 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 and it just stops. Then you just reduce it, but this goes forever. Can you hear it? Dun, dun, it's doing that again. My face scrub is finished. I think the last one I'm going to use tomorrow, literally. So I will need to order from Sephora sometime in the middle of next week. I still have other ones that I can use, but this particular one I love is from Clinique. I'm thinking of something different that is similar that I will start buying that will give me what I need. I just came back. I forgot my vitamin C is finished as well. This is the vitamin C that I just finished using from Purito. I think I bought one already. Yeah, I have a spare. I just remembered. We had a really nice time. I just want to say this to each and every one of us that is here, that you can be yourself. You are not the problem. There is nothing wrong with you. You are amazing. Live your life unapologetically. You do not need to come out to anybody. Coming out is not something that everyone can do, but what I do urge you to do is to be at peace with yourself. Be at peace with who you are. Live your life, because why do you want to live your life for somebody else? There is no shame in being a gay person, a lesbian, a trans man, a trans woman, LGBTQIA+. There is no shame in that. Just live your life fabulously, because you are fabulous. Thank you so much for spending the day with me. Thank you for joining the movement for visibility and representation. Make sure to subscribe, share the video to your friends, listen to Igbo Queer and Unfiltered podcast. The podcast is every Tuesday. Go to the podcast YouTube channel as well. Subscribe to it. Have a wonderful time. Be wonderful, be amazing, because you are. I will see you in the next vlog.